Hey guys, if you see this channel for a while, you know I like my home gardens. This is the Click and Grow 9. Today I'm upgrading to this Click and Grow 25 version. So I'm going to show you how I assemble it and put it on my countertop. So let's get started. It arrived. I didn't expect the box to be this big. Okay, let's open it and take a look inside. It looks well packed. This is the user manual. We'll put that aside for now. These got to be the legs. They appear to be solid wood. I laid out all the pieces. Here's what's included and I'll list them on the screen. First, I'll start by lining up the legs to the screws on the right side of the frame using 4 nuts for each leg. I just get it started by hand. They included this Allen wrench, but I'm using my own screwdriver with an Allen tip. I'm tightening them down loosely. I'll tighten them down completely after I finish the other side. So tighten down all the nuts on this side, flip it over and repeat the same thing on the left side. Now I stand it up and make sure that everything is tight. Next, add the water bath to the base. I'm going to stick on the hooks that hold the power cord to the back of the unit. Then run the wire through the hooks so it stays in place. Plug it in and make sure that the lights are coming on. These lights are on a timer which begin when you plug it in and stay on for 16 hours and off for 8 hours. Just going to remove the cardboard tab under the float inside the tank. The lights will now flash 2 times indicating that the water level is low. The control unit to pair the lights with the float is located underneath the top of the unit. Hold down the button on the controller for about 15 seconds until the lights flash once. This tells the float sensor that the tank is empty. We need to do this before adding the water. I had already inserted the wicks at the bottom of the 5 planted trays. The trays sit on the water tank and can slide side to side. They even include a bonus plant tray to store plants that are ready for harvest. Now I just slide on the side panels into either side of the water tank. I like the way the entire tray slides out, making it easy to fill the pots and the water tank. You can use the handle for easy tray removal and filling of the water tank. Click and Grow includes hardware for stacking multiple units. This system allows you to stack up to 3 units. Okay, I've reset the sensor and paired it to the lights. Now let's get the water added. This is a pretty large tank. To fill it, it's going to take about 9 liters or 3.37 gallons of water. I'm filling it all the way up to the max level here. To make sure everything is secured and leveled, the drawer should slide in and out smoothly. So now I just put the seed pods into the tray and put the humidity cover on the first tray until the seeds sprout. This usually takes 1 to 2 weeks depending on the seeds. Then move it to the next tray and start another row of planting. I love how the Click and Grow 25 system makes indoor gardening easy, even for a guy like me. I'll leave links to the Click and Grow 25 and some of their other products in the description. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next video.